night, here we are again. Look, the sun's out. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful day. Look, blue skies. Look at a few clouds moving across. It's awesome. I'm gonna go get some gas, see if I can get some gas, take my buddy some cupcakes. Some people are all freaked out because it's a hurricane. It's a hurricane. Everything's closed. You can't go anywhere. They're telling you to stay off the street. Oh. All right, so I'm taking cupcakes over to my buddy's house. See, it's just like a normal day. It's kind of a little bit rainy, but yeah, again, look, blue sky. Awesome, beautiful day out. We're gonna go up here to Crazy Papa and see if we can get some gas. I was told everything's closed because it's a hurricane. Nothing's open anywhere. State of emergency, lockdown, no one's driving. Panic. Alright, so yeah, I got 12 gallons of gas, cost $40, $3.19 a gallon. But yeah, went over the curb there a little. Getting a little cloudy now. Might get a little more rain. We might.